become an online tutor and you want to teach on websites like Preply, italki, Amazing Talker, this video is going to help you a lot. Okay, I'm an online tutor myself and I have taught over 2200 lessons as of now, and it's only increasing. So I teach online, I teach a lot of things online. However, in this video I'm going to talk about how to prepare yourself as an online tutor. What are the different things that you should think about, or what are the different things that you should take into account before you start your career as an online teacher, or even before you think that you should go and create a profile on any of these websites. So watch this video till the end and I'm sure it is going to be very helpful and informative for you. My name is Stan and I am your host and host on the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. I am a freelancer and online tuitioning is one of the biggest thing that I do as of now. Okay, so that's why I'm creating this video and I'm going to share my experience over last four and a half years. All right. So I'm a tutor on preply.com. You can check my profile. My profile link will be there in the description, or you can just search for me on Preply. You'll get my profile, and you can see that I've already taught over 2200 lessons. It's going to be 23 very soon, 2300 lessons. So 2300 lessons is like 2300 hours of online tuitions, right? So it's a huge experience, I would say. I'm very thankful that I got to know about this platform from one of my closest friends, and she is not there on the platform anymore, but then she introduced it to me, and it has been a major success in my freelancing career. I've shown you my success on my Fiverr profile as well, how much I've earned on Fiverr, and actually on Preply, I've done good so far. Okay, so let's see. I'm looking to do better there as well. So in these 4.5 years or around 5 years, which I've spent on Preply, I've shown a lot of people how to get started. A lot of teachers on Preply have actually learned from my videos, and I'm sure many of you have seen the older videos where I've talked about online tuitioning or Preply, how to work on that. Now, a lot of people also have tried their luck on Preply, but they did not get. They did not get hired. Okay, they have their profile. They probably created a good video as well. They did everything, but then still they could not get students as many as they wanted. So what are the things that they lack? Okay, and what are the things that they can improve? I've seen their profiles because they keep sending me their profiles and ask me how can I improve, what are the things that you want me to do better. So I've seen their profile and I've seen that a few things many of them have done wrong, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Now when you prepare for online teaching, one of the important things that you can do is the very first thing that you should do, it's not you can do, you should do, is to find out that one subject that you are a master of. Okay, now understand this, that online teaching is not like any other freelancing work. You cannot learn from YouTube and do your project. Okay, there are a lot of freelancers I know uh, who who say that I'm expert on that particular thing. Suppose let's take an example of graphic designer, which I always talk about. So a graphic designer, somebody comes to him, says that I've seen your designs are good, I've seen you make logos, I want a flyer to be made. Okay, I want a magazine kind of cover story to be made. Can you do it? This person will say, yeah, I can do it, and then he will head to YouTube, search a few videos, watch a few videos how to make a flyer on Canva, and then he uses Canva, makes that flyer and delivers it. I have no problem with that. It is absolutely fine. I have also done it when I was starting. It's absolutely fine. But my point is that you cannot do this as a teacher. If you intend to do this, if you intend to if you intend to learn a few particular topic, one small topic, and then you teach that topic to your students, I would say teaching is not for you. Please refrain from making any profile on any of these platforms, and do not just play with the students' life. Okay, there are a lot of people who come to us as teachers with a lot of hope. They really want to learn the language or that subject or that art or skill. Okay, and it's very important that you only promise them to teach if you are master yourself. Okay, very important. I'm spending time on this point because I want you to understand clearly that if you are not a master or if you're not an expert of that particular thing, please do not intend to teach that to anybody else. Very simple. Okay, so anyways, so suppose you have found the skill that you want to teach. Probably you want to teach some academic subjects like biology, physics, mathematics, okay, Bengali, Hindi, English. Languages, English is the most taught subject online, right? You know that. So if you have chosen that, okay, I am master of economics, I want to teach economics, stick to that. Okay, that is very important. Say that I am a teacher of economics, and that's what I'm going to teach. When you tell yourself that you are an economics teacher, only then you start believing in it and you can build on it. Then when you make your profile, what you write about yourself, what you write in the description, what you write in that header, those things will actually mean. Okay, it will really have some meaning, and it will connect to the student more better. Then you are going to create your video. Okay, video is very important. The language that you select in the video, the language that you use in the video is going to be very important between somebody selecting you and not selecting you. Understand that when you are starting as an online tutor, there are hundreds, probably thousands of other teachers already present on that platform, and they're already working for maybe 2-3 years, and many of them would have reviews, would have already had like 1,000 lessons, 100 lessons, 500 lessons under their belt. So you are going to compete with those people who are already teaching and who already have a rapport with the students, because there are so many people coming up, they are getting new trials, there are new people are coming and hiring them as tutors. So you are going to compare with them, or you can compete with them. Now when you compete with them, you need to be a little better than them, right? That's very important. So how to be better than the existing lot? You need to do a little bit of research. Okay, go to Preply or go to italki, go to Amazing Talker, watch the videos of the existing tutors. Okay, see what they've written in their description, see what they've written about themselves, how they work. Those things are there in the description normally. And also look into the comment section or the review section. You will know what are the aspects that the students are looking for. Okay, some students will write bad reviews about some teachers. Those bad reviews are also good for you as of now, because they will tell you what that particular teacher was lacking in, that the student did not like, and you can improve yourself, or you can probably uh, make a better video, better presentation of yourself when you start teaching. Okay, so these things are very important. Research, I'm putting more focus on research, because once only you research, you would know how the market is, how things are, and how are everybody else playing. On that basis, you can find out the areas of improvement, and you can make a better presentation, you can make a better description for yourself, you can make a better headline for yourself, and you can obviously make a better video for yourself. Okay, so I hope this information is helpful. If you can get your focus right, okay, on the specific subject that you want to teach as an online tutor, then you understand that how the market is, what are the different things that they are doing, and then you create a profile which is little better than them. Now understand that there is nothing perfect. You cannot have a perfect video, you cannot have a perfect description, not a perfect headline. That's not required. But then put in the effort to make it better in your eyes. First it has to be better in your eyes, only then others will like it, right? All right, so that's all I have in this video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you got the information that you are looking for. If you have any questions regarding online tuitions, please ask me in the comment section below. I'm going to respond to all your queries. Okay, so anything else you want to talk about, please ask in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Dan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.